Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is TCGSETSUNA here. For today's video, we have the Paldea Adventure Chest. I was not able to get my hands on one of these. Finally did. So it'll be nice to open this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to join that giveaway. Links down below. Don't forget to check my eBay store as well. Have a link down there as well. And yeah, let's get to it with this chest. Here we go. Nice chest here. You want to cut this open here. Got this at I think I found this one at Walmart. I think it was on sale or something. Here we go. Took out that plastic. Took out this little piece of cardboard here. Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh, I guess you open it this way. Yeah. So it has like a little hinge here. Pretty cool. I guess you can get your cards here. Has a nice little. So we get that. Oh, nice artwork here. We got our little deck box. Our little binder. Pretty cool. They got a nice little Pikachu toy right here. Looks nice. Let's see what else we got down here. Take this out. Got a nice stickers. Nice looking stickers. Alright. And then right here in the front, pop this open. We get our packs. Got our Paradox, Obsidian, and Paldea. Paradox, Obsidian, and Scarlet Violets. There we go. We'll put this back here. Save some room here. Overall, nice chest. Got a nice little Pikachu here in the front. Very nice. Put that to the side for now. We got our packs here. And we have this booklet here with our cards. Let's get these out first. First one is the Sprigatito EX Black Star promo. Very nice card right there. Yeah, we'll put that one aside. We got our other one here. We got our Mousehold EX. And we got the Palmont EX. I have a feeling we're missing one more card. Are we missing one more card? unless it's in here somewhere. Alright, we'll deal with that later. So we got our 3 cards right here and our packs. Let's get through these packs first. First pack here, we got that Paradox. We got that code card. Let's see what we get. See if we pull anything from Paradox Rift. Nice looking Scream Tail. Oof, very nice. Delusa. Beautiful card. Gorgeous artwork. First pack Magic. Awesome hit. Definitely a beautiful card. I don't think I pulled that card before. So I might be going definitely into the set. To the binder. We have another Paradox Rift. Here we go. Let's open up a second one. Here we go. Code card. See, draw right there. We got the little Magby. Tulip. Orbita and a nice Steelix. Alright, so we did pull something nice. Can't complain. Alright. Nice hit on Paradox. Let's do Obsidian Flame. We got 2 Obsidian Flames. So we'll pull something nice. Code card. Got an Oddish. Here we go. Gambit. Ooh. Larvitar. Nice little artwork there. Got another hit. Very nice. Another Obsidian Flame. Still missing cards from this set as well. Code card. There we go. Come on. Sharpedo looks very nice. Oh, we hit gold right here. Artazome. Nice gold card. Alright, Obsidian Flames, we did really good. 2 hits on there. Put that up here. Here we go. We're gonna hit that Paldea. Code card. Here we go. Oh, Tinker Tank. Or Tinker Tank. Beautiful card right here. Another hit. Awesome looking card. Beautiful artwork as well. All the colors do mix very nice in that card. Gorgeous looking card. last but not least, we got the Scarlet and Violets. There we go, code card. And nothing, just a Meowscarada. Here we go. We got a rock chest plates. I don't know who the hell will write that. We got one. Let me check if there's anything else in that box. We'll be right back. Alright. So further checking, inside the little deck box, we have our last card here, which is that Black Star promo Pikachu card. Very nice. Crack these packs open here. See what's inside. Nice Pikachu card right there. Got the Palmy, and Tender Mouse. Very nice, beautiful cards. Definitely loving this Pikachu card. Beautiful artwork on this one. These look really nice. Just because they have that extra shine to them, so they really stand out. A nice EX right here. There's only one on this one. I'll double check. There we go. Very nice Palmon EX. We have the mouse holds. Very nice. And we have the Sprigatito EX, which is a Black Star promo. And your last code card right here. Don't forget to snag that up. Alright. Here we go. Beautiful cards. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to join that giveaway. Links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next opening. See you later.